Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I thought I'd show you Dollar Tree DIY gift ideas for less than $5. So earlier I was asked if I got my mini Santa hats from Dollar Tree. Let me know if you would like me to put a link in the comments below or anything like that. But basically, I figured out a way where you could actually purchase, they come in 4 packs of these, and then you can turn these into these. So I'm going to show you what I did, how I did it. They don't need to be super big Santa hats. But basically all of these, I bought 2 packs. They come 4 pack of these little guys. These are little ornaments. It already has this here. So immediately it already has a hanger to be an ornament once you attach everything. The first thing I do is I take my pliers actually to rip off the nose. And sometimes you have to have a lot of strength pulling it off because it's on there real good. I'm not worried about the red material getting out of shape because we could always work around that. But I'm also going to take my scissors because I'm going to need to peel this off. I'm going to need some assistance with getting this detached. See, a lot of the fur ball fibers are stuck to it, but you can get most of it off. There we go. Sometimes you have to actually do more cutting than pulling because it doesn't want to come off. That's also okay. And sometimes you get too much more of the fabric than you might like, but it still works out just fine. At least I think so. But the one on Amazon, I think it's like a pack of 12, maybe 10. I can't remember offhand. And it's currently $7 on Amazon. There it is. Let's see if this will pull off now that the head is off. And you know what? If not, we can also just do this because this is getting really out of shape. So we're just going to cut it off like that. And don't worry about any imperfections because we'll fix that with the brim. And you'll notice these brims aren't necessarily perfect either. So we're going to go ahead and make another one of these guys. And for the top part, I'm just going to pull one of the more medium-sized pom-poms. And I'm just going to glue it to the top of this. There. If you can't find a pack of this shape, ornament, and size at Dollar Tree, wait until February and pick out the basic heart-shaped ornaments in the wood form, and just make sure to use that because the shape like below the hat is just about the same. They're also available in large packs on Amazon. Then, once your Grinch head is ready, then go ahead and place the hat on top and add a dab of hot glue on the bottom edges of the hat. This piece is a remnant off of actually it was cut off of a old piece from like last year or the year prior. This used to be, I didn't see this year. Let me know if you've seen it in the comments below, but I just cut off the top half. This is supposed to be for wine bottles, and I need this as a brim, so this is another version of how you can make a Grinch ornament very easily. using mostly Dollar Tree products. So I started off with getting these small bags because we need to pack these guys into them. So first what I'm going to do is take the tag off. And as of right now, nothing really exciting about these craft paper bags. However, I'm going to dress it up because I got inspired. I was shopping at Target one day and I thought, wow, those gingerbread bags look really cute. I bet you I can make them for less. And especially because my budget this year is far less than it was before I wanted to try this project out. And I'm going to go ahead and get this Crafter Square Chalk Writer white. And I'm just going to take it out of its packaging. There we go. And I'm basically going to decorate these using just this. Okay, I'm going to use this as a reference. So I'm going to follow this and make this style of gingerbread bags. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this 3 times. And I'm going to actually do, I don't know if they do the back sides or not, but I'm going to do both sides. So very simple. Oh, and this glides right on. And I'm not looking for perfection. This is kind of like doodling, really. All right, and then we're going to continue that design, making sure to touch on the curve of the one above it. And then see, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of that. I'm going to continue until I have 5. Okay, I ended up doing 6. That's fine. Okay, here are all my 3 bags completed. I decided to flip the flap so that when it opens up, you can see the house from both sides. So we're going to go ahead and open one. And we're going to get some tissue paper. I don't know about anybody else. I try to repurpose as much tissue paper as I receive for the holidays or for any gifts. I'm going to do that here because I like to reuse or recycle. So I mean, it's probably going to end up in the garbage anyways. Oh, I almost forgot. I need the socks. Okay, here are the socks. I'm going to remove this part. Perfect. Roll these up. Stick this in here. Grab my bag. And then take the coaster, and I'm just going to stick this. Okay, I think that's good. And then we have our gift. If you don't have matching socks, you could always just give a basic pair of fluffy socks, or actually, speaking of, that's what we're going to do next. I didn't get socks or gloves because I don't know the correct sizing, so instead, I'm going to do, plus I really doubt my father-in-law will want stitch socks, one of these hot cocoa balls. Just going to pop it out, save space. Probably should have gotten 2. You could fill up with as many as you think you can. But to help that out, I'm actually going to take these out of their packaging, wrap them up in tin foil, and then just stick them in here as well. So I'm going to come back to that in a second. Here's another mug. Going to go ahead and open this up. Ball out, stick it in there. Okay, I still have a pack of these from my daughter's birthday last year, and I thought these would be perfect to fit the spoons into. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these open. I believe I picked these up. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen these over at the Dollar Tree. I think these are from Party City, or they could have been from Target. I live really close to a Target, so it's kind of a go-to for me. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up one of these. Okay, so you're gonna wanna open it upside down, because otherwise it'll just fall right off or out of the box. And then these bags are huge. I'm gonna use these to grab the spoons because I don't want to use it. I don't want to use my bare hands. You can, of course, clean your hands, but since we generally touch a bunch of surfaces, I would rather do it this way. I feel safer. Alright, so I want them all to be standing upwards, like so. Then grab one of these ties. Alright, I don't mind that that sticks out a little bit. Okay, just to give you an idea. And then take another one of these and open it up. Okay, I'm going to try doing... I apologize, I don't exactly know the name of these different types of knots. Let me know if you know in the comments below, but I'm just going to go make a loop and put the ends through the loop. Okay. Oh boy. I just frayed it. Oh well. And then I'm going to just put this at the top here. I believe this is a little bit stretchy. And stick that on there. And now I know who this belongs to. I'm going to go ahead and repurpose this really gorgeous gold tissue paper. Okay, see if I can stick this in here as best as I can. Okay, and then I just got to tie this around here. Okay, like so. All right, done. All right, for the last gift bag that I actually originally started packing in first, I ran out of tags, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this scrap bit. I really don't need very much of this, so I'm going to cut this down and then fold this in half. I'm going to do a hole punch. It's much bigger than I need, but I'm going to go with it. Use a pen. Okay. Then I'm going to just string this through. Okay, I'm going to take this, go around, and then carefully, because this is Dollar Tree gift wrapping paper, just pull this gently through. There we go. And then knot like that. Super simple, nothing fancy, and that's totally fine. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.